Welcome to our comprehensive guide on using AI for generating income. In this series, we'll explore various strategies, tools, and techniques to help you harness the power of artificial intelligence to boost your earnings. AI is revolutionizing industries such as healthcare, finance, marketing, and more, offering unprecedented opportunities for innovation and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. From automating routine tasks to providing deep insights through data analysis, AI is a game changer. So let's dive right in and discover the exciting opportunities that await. To start off, it's crucial to understand the basics of AI. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn. This technology can be applied in numerous ways to create income streams. From automating repetitive tasks to providing personalized customer experiences, the possibilities are nearly endless. Examples include chatbots that handle customer inquiries, recommendation systems that suggest products or content, and automated data analysis that provides valuable insights. Now let's delve deeper into some specific applications of AI that can help you generate income. One popular method is through AI-powered content creation. By leveraging tools that use natural language processing, you can produce high-quality articles, social media posts, and even video scripts with minimal effort. Additionally, AI can be used to analyze market trends and consumer behavior, giving you valuable insights to make informed business decisions. For instance, a digital marketing agency used AI to create personalized content for their clients, resulting in a 30% increase in engagement. Another example is a retail company that utilized AI to analyze shopping patterns, leading to a 20% boost in sales by optimizing their inventory and marketing strategies. At this pivotal moment, we see the true potential of AI unfold. It's not just about automating tasks. It's about creating opportunities. AI can analyze data to uncover trends, predict outcomes. For instance, in stock market trading, AI can predict market movements by analyzing historical data and current trends. It can suggest the best times to buy or sell stocks, maximizing profits and minimizing risks. Imagine the possibilities when you harness this power for your own business strategies, making informed decisions with confidence. Now that we've explored the capabilities of AI, it's time to put it into action. Start small, maybe with a project or two, and gradually integrate AI into your workflow. Use tools like TensorFlow for machine learning and platforms like ChatGPT for natural language processing. With patience and persistence, you'll start to see the benefits. Gap 3S. In this bonus chapter, we'll share some advanced tips for using AI to maximize your income. One effective strategy is to use AI for personalized marketing. By analyzing customer data, AI can help you create targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience. Another tip is to leverage AI for financial forecasting. AI can analyze market trends and historical data to provide accurate financial predictions, helping you make informed investment decisions. Finally, consider using AI for customer service automation. AI-powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries efficiently, freeing up your time to focus on other important tasks. Implementing these advanced strategies can significantly boost your income potential. In healthcare, AI can assist in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatment plans, leading to better patient outcomes and cost savings. In finance, AI can optimize investment portfolios and detect fraudulent activities, ensuring better financial management and security. Additionally, AI can streamline supply chain operations by predicting demand and optimizing inventory levels, reducing costs and improving efficiency. By integrating these advanced AI strategies across various sectors, you can unlock new opportunities and drive substantial income growth. In this additional chapter, we'll explore even more advanced AI strategies to maximize your income. One such strategy is using AI for predictive maintenance in industries. By analyzing data from machinery and equipment, AI can predict when maintenance is needed, preventing costly breakdowns and downtime. Another strategy is using AI for dynamic pricing. AI can analyze market demand and competitor pricing to adjust your prices in real time, maximizing your revenue. Additionally, AI can be used for fraud detection in various sectors, identifying suspicious activities and preventing financial losses. Implementing these strategies can give you a competitive edge and significantly boost your income. In conclusion, AI is a tool that, when used wisely, can significantly impact your income streams. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to experiment. The future is bright, and AI is here to help you shine. Thank you for joining us. Stay updated with AI advancements and continuously seek new opportunities. We wish you the best of luck on your AI journey. Watch us in the next video.